keychain flashlight is back and better than ever. The Nitecore tip has 2 key upgrades for 2017 we think you're going to love. First, the tip now includes a removable, multi-purpose clip. This utility clip adds a ton of functionality to the light by adding new ways to carry the tip and position it hands-free. The clip also serves a second purpose. Flip it around and it instantly becomes a physical lockout barrier to keep buttons from accidentally activating. It can also be used as a charging port cover to keep dust and other particulates out of the USB port. The second major upgrade to the tip is the addition of 2 operating modes, daily mode and constant on mode. In daily mode, the tip has a 30-second auto turn-off timer to provide convenient bursts of light without worrying about draining down the battery. In constant on mode, the tip will remain on until turned off via the power switch. To switch between modes, press and hold the power and mode button at the same time until the tip briefly flashes. A single flash indicates daily mode, and a double flash indicates constant on mode. You can also temporarily activate constant on mode while in daily mode. After the timer has turned the tip off, pressing the power button again will turn the tip back on and remain on until turned off by the power switch. The next time you turn the light on, however, it will revert back to daily mode. The Tip 2017 comes with the flashlight, a removable clip, keyring, and belt clasp. Want to learn more about the tip? Check out our demo video to see this super bright keychain flashlight in action.
Now, Sidekick is a fantastic piece of technology. It's a huge step forward in flashlights and one of the most convenient that I've ever used.
To me, safety is everything, especially at night. Having a reliable light is crucial.
The Sidekick is phenomenal because its small size allows me to carry it pretty much wherever I go at all times. So if the power goes out, if I'm in a place that I need just that little bit of extra light that I don't ordinarily have, I can just pull this thing out and keep going for it. So I used to use the light on my smartphone whenever I needed a flashlight, but the Sidekick is just so much more powerful. It doesn't drain my battery. I can still actually use my phone to make phone calls. It's so much more convenient to carry around.
Introducing the Super Mini Nitecore TINI Keychain Flashlight. The TINI uses a Cree XP-G2 S3 LED that's capable of an impressive 380 lumens and 70 yards of throw. The built-in lithium-ion battery provides up to 60 hours of runtime and is rechargeable via the built-in micro USB port. The new TINI Keychain Flashlight is smaller and brighter than Nitecore's older tip model, and its small size and bright output makes it an excellent choice for everyday carry, emergencies, household tasks, gifting, and more.
SureFire designs and builds the world's finest illumination tools. Now we've created the Titan Plus, the world's finest professional-grade keychain light. This rechargeable, ultra-compact light attaches to your key so you and your loved ones always have it with you, which is essential. It's ideal for getting around in the dark, which of course includes keeping you safe, but there's also hundreds of other everyday uses. The Titan Plus's broad, perfectly tapered max vision beam, produced by its top-shelf LED and our special faceted reflector, creates a smooth, perfect light that matches your field of vision. And you can easily access its low, medium, and high output levels from its bezel to help you accomplish just about any task. Plus, it includes a quick detach keyring that allows you to separate the light from your keys with just a twist. And its removable pocket clip gives you many secure carry options. You get all this light output, 300 unprecedented lumens on high, from an ultra-compact nickel-plated brass body that's great looking and durable with a lifetime guarantee. There's nothing else like it.